first video in my Making the Most of a Small Shop series. As I have a small shop, I need to find ways to optimize it. It's for that reason I built this bench. As you could have seen by the video, it was very cluttered and really didn't work. It wasn't very effective. For that reason I ripped it out. I was on a tight budget, so I decided to build this bench from old reclaimed shipping crate wood. I put through the planer. Chipboard, ideally I would want to put a more robust, maybe a laminated plywood or something like that as a top, but for now this will do. And the idea is so that I can fold away my miter saw and use the bench for whatever else, as my space, like I said, is very limited. I think it'll work quite well. We'll have to see in the weeks to come, but as I go along I will be adding a wooden wall, maybe with shelving, tool storage, things like that. I'm planning on adding a router table to this area. The router table fence might be able to double as a fence for the miter saw. Add an area here that folds up to support wider stock for the miter saw. And that's about it. Plans for this table I will be posting to woodworking.com. As soon as they go up, I'll add the link to the description of the video. And that's about it. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, let me know. If you didn't enjoy it, let me know. If there's anything you think I could have done different or better, let me know. And if you'd like to see how I build out a small shop, subscribe, and I will see you soon.